So I'm not going to waste too much time on this particular video. I'm going to get straight to it. So if you look and you see these numbers right here, so far you see that people are posting articles and making money just by going through. So I'm going to share with you the exact name of this particular website that you can go and you can start earning $100 an hour posting free articles. And this is some free PayPal money. So if you got a PayPal account, just make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, welcome. I create videos for you. So make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. So every time I create a brand new video, you're going to be the first one to be notified right away. So as I said, let's just get to it because I got a lot to cover in this video. So welcome, and let me know in the comments where you're watching this from as well. So that way I can know how far my videos are being viewed all around the world. So I appreciate you even sharing this with someone who is out there that is trying to find a way. So there's a few different websites that I'm going to give you in this particular video. So don't try to skip ahead and miss out on the most important things. So the first website that I wanted to share with you, this particular website, it is called forums.steroids.com. And the reason why I chose forums.steroids.com is basically it's the world's most trusted anabolic website. So it's all about weight loss, not really per se weight loss, but it's a health niche related product. So there's so many different niches out there that you could choose from. So if you look over here, you could see some of the posts that are here. There's like new members, take a minute to introduce yourself here. If you sign up for this, these are steroids forum, steroids brands, profiles, pictures, review, and all that. Fitness and nutrition forum, members experience is a competitive bodybuilding, powerlifting, all that stuff. So this is a general niche that a lot of people want to go into weight loss and they miss out on a lot. Now we're going to be posting articles on this particular platform, and if you have no idea how to write or how to come up with articles, don't worry because I got you covered. I'm going to share with you a website that you can go, and these are copyrighted free articles that you can reuse and you can get it and you can start making money right away. So make sure that you keep watching the video. So once you come on over here, the only thing that you have to do is just click on where it says register. And all you have to do is just register. You're going to put the month that you were born, put the year and the date. Once you do that, you're going to proceed to the next step because they want to make sure that they get all the information correctly, because anybody under the age of 18, they just want to make sure that this is good. So if you're under the age of 18, you can let your family or somebody over the age of 18 sign up for you, and you don't have to worry about that. So once you sign up for this, then the next particular website that we're going to be going to, we're going to be heading over to this website that is called digistore24.com. So it's very similar to ClickBank. I know most of you have been trying up for ClickBank or trying to sign up, and some of you are not getting approved, but it's okay. Don't worry. That's why we're coming to Digistore. So Digistore24, you can get more sales. This is advanced marketer. And if you want to sign up, it is absolutely free. Just come right over here and you just click on the sign up button. Once you sign up, put in all the information, then you're going to be good to go. So they have product sellers, they have affiliates, there's features, there's marketplace, there's blogs, and there's also a knowledge base. So once you create the account and you sign in, immediately after you sign in, you could go straight to the marketplace. And this is a brand new account that I just opened. So you could see everything that is listed. So you have the animals, you got pets, you all that stuff. But we're going to straight into the fitness and health because that's what we're going to be targeting in this video. So remember, we're going to be setting things up. We're going to be posting articles, but also going to be making money as well. So there's a lot of different things. There's smart blood sugar. There's keto. There's keto essential books. There's advanced bodybuilding program. So just like I always said, we're going over to the steroid section. And here's the thing. What I'm sharing with you right now, not a lot of people know about this. So the people who act upon this right away is going to get results. Now, I can't guarantee you if you watch this video a year from today, it's still going to work. So that's why you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's why you need to turn on the bell notifications, because I always come up with some really neat way of making money. Some things I come up with, people don't even know about it, right? So this is a great product, and it's advanced bodybuilding program, right? So move is included. This is like a 40% live commission, multiple plans and all that. And the earnings that you can get from this is $64. Now, once we sign up for this, we know that, okay, we're going to be finding our product here at Digistore. So the first thing that we do is step number one, we sign up for that forum.steroids.com. The next place that you're going to sign up for is digistore24.com. Now, here's step number three, and stay with me here. The next thing we need to do is we need to head on over and we need to find articles. And these are articles that can be reused over and over again. So these are articles that is copyrighted. You don't have to worry about the royalty free. Your things are getting shut down, because this is what they do. Expert authors are sharing their best article, and you can reuse them. So all you need to do, this is good where you could get traffic back to your website, which is pretty cool. And that's what we need. We need traffic back to the product that we're going to be selling. So over here, it doesn't matter what type of niche that you want to get. You don't have to do the health niche, but you can come on over here and you can find these different things. There's home-based business, there's career, there's finances, there's food and drink, home, family, and all that stuff. Now we're going over to the health section. Now we're dealing with steroids. Steroids is what we're going to be doing. So even though it's steroids, we can talk about aerobics, cardio. We can, if you scroll down here, there's hypertension, right? There's hemorrhoids. There's hemorrhoids here. There's heart disease. So I'm sure we could find something about building muscle. There we go. So there's build muscle right there. I'm sure if we look, there's thyroid, people trying to quit smoking. There's so many different things that you can find. So you just have to do your little research, do some digging, and you can find some things. So let's go over to here where it says build muscle. All right, we're going to be clicking on the build muscle section. Now you can find a lot of articles here that is related to. So this is how we're going to be start making $100 an hour for free with PayPal money, posting articles. It's a great make money online video. So you want to come through here and you want to see there's different CrossFit, there's protein powder, there's 4 ways of, to boost your natural testosterone. So these are things that bodybuilders and people want to learn more about their body. Should I do full body workout or do body part split? That's a great article. Come down here, 5 smart workout tips for beginners. Common mistakes of powerlifting. So you're building not articles. Jeez, you're not building articles. You're building muscles, and you're getting fit, you're getting jacked, you're getting thick. Now, you want to make sure that you avoid all mistakes at all costs. So we're going to click on this, and we're going to see what the article, how long is it. Now, this came out about 3 years ago from making this video. So it's been out for a long time. Now, if you look down here, if you look very closely, you will see that, hey, these articles are from this particular person, right? So if you want to copy this entire thing, you could do that because it's reused. So you could copy the entire thing. Make sure when you copy the entire thing, you also include this as well. That's the only thing. Make sure you include this because this is giving the writers the right to do certain things. So all you got to do is do that. Now we want to remove this where it says tribe lifting and all this stuff. This is probably him, sold on Amazon. We don't need to use this. We're going to remove this. And what we're going to be doing, all right, let me just close this out real quick. We're going to be heading back over to the website that I shared with you earlier, which is forums.steroids.com. And after you sign up and everything, right, we can go to the forums. We can go into different forums here that is listed, and we can post. Now, do keep in mind, you don't want to overuse it and over abuse it and just go in here and just start posting different things and post a million times, because you're so eager to make money. You're going to post 100 times, and guess what? You're going to get blocked and you're going to get removed. So if you want to post one this hour, the next hour you go into a different forum and you post another one. The next hour you're going to go into a different forum and you're going to be posting as well. So you don't want to do it too often and you don't want to do it too many times, but give it some breather. If you want to post one article a day, that's okay, because that's fine. So once you log in, all you have to do is just copy the entire thing and you're going to post it on here. So once you post it on here, you're going to then grab your affiliate link from here where it says promote. You want to copy your affiliate link, and then once you copy your affiliate link, you're going to put it at the end of the article that you just post. So remember I told you to remove this, and you're going to post your article. And you can also remove this entire thing right here. So just take this out, and then you're going to add your affiliate link once you post it on here, because this particular website, it gets a lot of traffic. There's a lot of posts, there's a lot of threads, and people consistently just keep coming back and reading more about steroids, because there's people all over the world that reads about steroids. This is a different niche that nobody knows about. Everybody's thinking, well, I got a weight loss. Well, let me go sell weight loss product. So what about the people in the fitness industry who like steroid, who likes to be jacked? So that's why I said, if you follow exactly what I tell you in this video, you can start getting results right away. Now, it's not going to happen by the next day or the next 24 hours, but you have to consistently keep doing it over and over again. So these are some of the things that I learned in my particular program that I'm going to be talking about. So if you scroll down at the bottom into the section of this video, you can find my #1 recommendation. If you want to find out how you can stay on top of the game and learn about these different things, this is a great place for you to go. So thank you so much for watching, how to earn $100 per hour for free PayPal money just by posting articles. So just go out there and start crushing it. But right now, I want you to go straight after this, click on this where you can earn some free PayPal money and start making money in 2021. I appreciate you. See you in the next video. Peace.